Hello students. Today we are going to start the new chapter, that is measurement. Measurement, first we should understand what is the process of measuring any object is measurement. And we measure different kind of things in different measurement units. Like if we will have to measure the length, we will measure in meter or centimeter. Distance we will measure in kilometer or meter. Weight or mass we will measure in kilogram or gram. Capacity or liquid we can measure in the liter or milliliter. In the same way, we can measure the different object or different things by the measurement unit. That's only we are going to learn in this chapter. Let's start the exercise 7a. The question number 1 is, draw a line segment of following length 5 cm, 8 cm, 6, 1 by 2 cm, 11 cm. Let's do it. See students, when it is, you all have this measurement scale, and if you want to draw the 5 cm, how you will draw? See, there is one, you will put one point at 0 and one point at 5. After putting the point, you will join both the points. This is the line segment which is of 5 cm. This is of 5 cm. In the same way, 6 1 by 2. How we can measure 6 1 by 2? 6 2s are 12. First we will convert into mixed fraction, then we will convert into improper fraction, then we will convert into decimal. 6 1 by 2. 6 2s are 12 plus 1 is 13. 13 by 2. 13 by 2 will be 6.5 centimeter. So 6.5 centimeter, how we will draw? See, in the same way, we always start from the 0. So first we will keep one point at the 0. After that, see, after 5 there is 6 and 7. So between 6 and 7 there is a long line. This is of 0.5 line. So we will put one point here. After putting these 2 points, we will join both the points. This will be of 6.5 centimeter. In the same way, you can draw the different line segment by the different measurement. The next question is, length we have to convert as meter. The question number B is, we have to convert kilometer into meter. Kilometer to meter. The question number 1 is, see, express the following length as meter. So we have to convert. Question number 1 is, it is given 7 kilometer, or we know 1 kilometer is equals to 1000 meter. So 7 kilometer will be 7 multiplied by 1000 meter is equals to 7000 meter. We always have to keep in mind that whenever we are converting smaller to big quantity, we will divide the given number, given measurement, or if we are converting big to small, then we will multiply the given quantity. Second is, let me do the third. 5 kilometer, 352 meter. Now see, this is already in the meter. We will not convert this. We will convert only 5 kilometer. So 5 kilometer is equals to 5 multiplied by 1000 meter. So it will be 5000 meter. Now this is already in the meter. So we will add this number, that is 352 meter. So 5352 meter is equals to 5 kilometer, 352 meter. The question number C is, express the following lengths as kilometer and the meter. So see, it is given that meter to the kilometer we have to convert. Meter is the smaller and kilometer is the greater. So we will divide it. As we know, 1 kilometer is equals to 1000 meter. So we will divide it. So 4273 kilometer meter is equals to 4273 divided by 1000. So it will be, see, 1 2 3. So we will keep the decimal after 3 digit. So it will be 4.273 kilometer, and this part will be kilometer and this part will be meter. So 4 kilometer and 273 meter. In the same way we can convert the another quantity also. Now see, 45,361 meter. See, now we will divide it by 1000. 45,361 meter. 1000 fours are 4000. Now it is 6 3 5. Now 1 we will take. Now it will be 1000 fives are, that is 5000. It will be 1 6 3. So this will be the kilometer and the remainder will be the meter. Therefore it will be 45 kilometer and 361 meter. So in the same way, whichever method you like, you can use these method. Any one method you can use. The question number D is express as gram. Kilogram is given and we have to convert into gram. So it is big to small. Now we will multiply. Let's do it. 8 kilogram. As we know, 1 kilogram is equals to 1000 gram. So 8 kilogram will be 8 multiplied by 1000 gram is equals to 8000 gram. The same. So 8 kilogram is equals to 8000 gram. In the same way, if we have to convert 12 kg and 90 grams. So see, 90 is already in the gram, so we will not convert it. We will convert only 12. So 12 kg is equals to 12 multiplied by 1000 gram is equals to 12,000 gram. Now gram we will add. So it will be 12,090 gram. So 12 kg 90 gram is equals to 12,090 gram. In the same way we can convert kilogram into gram. Then question number D is express as kilogram and the gram. Gram is given, we have to convert into kg and gram. So we will divide it. As we have done the question number C, in the same way we will do. We know 1 kilogram is equals to 1000 gram. So we will divide it. So 4372 divided by 1000 is equals to 4.372. So this will be the kilogram and this will be the gram. Therefore this will be 4 kg 372 gram. In the same way, this is given 80,036. So we will divide it by 1000. As we know, 1 kilogram is equals to 1000 gram. So 1000 8s are 8000. Now 3 and 6. Now see, after taking number it is not further dividing, so we will keep 1 0 here. So it will be kilogram and it will be gram. So it will be 80,036 gram is equals to 80 kilogram and 36 gram. In the same way, you can convert gram into kilogram and kilogram into gram. The next question is, which is heavier, 8 kg 750 gram or 8700 gram? So this first we will convert into gram, after that we will compare this. So I am doing the question number G, that is express as ml. Express as ml is milliliter and liter quantity is given. So first is 4 liter. So 1 liter is equals to 1000 milliliter. So 4 liter is equals to 4 multiplied by 1000 ml is equals to 4000 ml. So 4 liter is equals to 4000 ml. In the same way, 9 liter and 125 ml. So 125 is already in the ml, so we will convert only 9 liter. 9 liter is equals to 9 multiplied by 1000 milliliter is equals to 9000 milliliter. Then we will add 125 milliliter. Now 5, 2, 1 and 9. So it will be 9125 milliliter. In the same way, we can convert milliliter into liter. Now the next is express as liter and milliliter. Express as liter and milliliter. How we will convert? The question number H, 3527 ml. 3527 ml. So see, ml is given, that is smaller, and we have to find the greatest. So we will divide it by 1000. 1 liter is equals to 1000 milliliter. So we will divide it by 1000 is equals to 3.527. This will be the liter and this will be the milliliter. Before decimal it will be liter and after decimal it will be milliliter. Therefore it will be 3 liter and 527 milliliter. In the same way, if it is given 63,241 ml, 63,241 ml. So we will divide it by 1000, as 1 liter is equals to 1000 milliliter. So we will divide it by 1000. It will be 63.241. So this will be the liter and this will be the milliliter. Therefore it will be 63 liter and 241 milliliter. In the same way, you can do the remaining questions. I hope you all have understood. Thank you everyone for paying attention. Now let's learn the different measurement, how we can convert different smaller and bigger quantity. Now measurement of length, students. Measure for the measurement of length. As I have said, we can measure length into meter or centimeter, and centimeter is further divided into some other measurement unit. So it is 1 kilometer is equals to 10 hectometer. 1 hectometer is equals to 10 decameter. 1 decameter is equals to 10 meter. 1 meter is equals to 10 decimeter. 1 decimeter is equals to 10 centimeter. 1 centimeter is equals to 10 millimeter. Now 1 kilometer, what will be the centimeter? See, 1 kilometer is equals to 1000 meter and 1 meter is equals to 100 centimeter. So it will be multiplied by 100. So that will be the 1 kilometer into centimeter. In the same way, we can convert these measurement unit into these, and these measurement unit into these. By these measurement unit the exercise will be solved. Let's learn how to convert. Now see how we will convert. Now if we have to convert, these are the all, this is the distance, this is the length, this is the mass, and this is the capacity. If we have to convert into kilometer to hectometer, we will multiply by 10. If we will have to convert hectometer to decameter, we will multiply by 10. Decameter to meter, multiply by 10. Meter to decimeter, multiply by 10. Decimeter to centimeter, multiply by 10. Centimeter to millimeter, multiply by 10. In the same way, if we will convert millimeter to centimeter, divide by 10. Centimeter to decimeter, divide by 10. In the reverse form, when we will convert the smaller to big, we will divide by 10. In the same way, it is of mass: kilogram, hectogram, decagram, gram, then decigram, centigram and milligram. In the same way, it is kiloliter, hectoliter, decaliter, liter, deciliter, centiliter and milliliter. In the same way we can convert. By these conversion of the measurement unit, we will do the exercise 7.7b. Let's start the exercise 7b. The question number 1 is, that is A, convert 4 kilometer into decameter. Now let's yes, 4 kilometer into decameter. As we know, 1 kilometer is equals to 100 decameter. Now, so 4 kilometer will be 4 multiplied by 100 is equals to 400 decameter. Now we have to convert decameter into meter. Decameter into meter. 1 decameter is equals to 10 meter. Now 1 decameter is equals to 10 meter. So 15 decameter is equals to 15 multiplied by 10 is equals to 150 meter is equals to 150 meter. In the same way, 15 decameter is equals to 150 meter. In the same way, we can convert the different measurement unit. Now the question number B is convert 16 centimeter into meter. As we know, 1 meter is equals to 100 centimeter. Now this is centimeter and this is meter, so small to big. Now we will divide 16 centimeter is equals to 16 divided by 100. So 1 and 2, so we will put the 0.16 meter. It will be 0.16 meter. Now it is 453 hectometer into kilometer. So we will have to convert this measurement unit to this measurement unit. As we know, the 1 kilometer is equals to 10 hectometer. So we will, this is the smallest and this is the greatest, so we will divide by 10. 453 hectometer is equals to 453 divided by 10 is equals to 45.3 kilometer. This will be the 45.3 kilometer. Now in the same way, question number C is convert these. We have to convert now 25 kilogram into gram. As we know, 1 kilogram is equals to 1000 gram. 1 kg is equals to 1000 gram. So 25 kg will be 25 multiplied by 1000 gram is equals to 25,000 gram. So 25 kilogram is equals to 25,000 gram. In the same way, we can convert 32 decigram into centigram. As we know, 1 decigram is equals to 10 centigram. So this is the bigger and this is the smallest. So we will multiply this. So 32 decigram is equals to 32 multiplied by 10 centigram is equals to 320 centigram. So 32 decigram will be 320 centigram. The question number D is convert 49 mg into Cg. That convert 49 milligram into centigram. As we know, 1 centigram is equals to 10 milligram. So 49 mg is equals to 49 will be divided by 10 is equals to 4.9 centigram. Therefore 49 mg is equals to 4.9 Cg. In the same way, we can convert the different measurement, but before that we should learn these measurement, that which measurement is equals to which another smaller or greater measurement. Now 6214 centigram into decagram. As we know, 1 decagram is equals to 1000 centigram. Therefore 6214 centigram will be divided by 1000. 6214 divided by 1000 decagram is equals to 6.214 decagram. In the same way, we can do the other questions also. Now question number E is convert 7 hectoliter into liter. Now convert 7 hectoliter into liter. As we know, 1 hectoliter is equals to 100 liter. So 7 hectoliter will be 7 multiplied by 100 liter is equals to 700 liter. So 7 hectoliter will be 700 liter. Next is 21 decaliter into centiliter. As we know, 1 decaliter is equals to 1 decaliter is equals to 1000 centiliter. So 21 decaliter will be 21 multiplied by 1000 centiliter is equals to 21,000 centiliter. In the same way, we can do the remaining questions also. Question number F is convert 63 ml into deciliter. Milliliter into deciliter. As we know, 1 deciliter is equals to 100 milliliter. So 63 milliliter will be 63 divided by 100, because this is smallest and this is greatest. We have to convert smallest to greater. So it will be 0.63 deciliter. In the same way, we can do the different questions. All are of capacity only. Next is express 8 meter 5 decimeter as meter. 8 meter 5 decimeter as meter. So we know, see, 8 is already in the meter, so we will not convert 8. As we know, that we have to convert 5, we have to convert the 5 decimeter into meter. Decimeter is the smallest, and so 1 meter is equals to 10 decimeter. So 5 decimeter will be 5 divided by 10 is equals to 0.5 meter. So it will be, after that we will add 8 meter and this 8 plus 0.5 meter, 8 meter is equals to 8.5 meter. In the same way we can do all the questions. I hope you all have understood. Thank you everyone for paying attention.